If you're looking to grow your Instagram following and specifically target a US audience, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share some quick and easy tips to help you connect with the right audience. Let's get started. First things first, understanding your audience is crucial. Who are they? What are their interests? Use Instagram Insights if you have a business account. This tool will give you demographic data including the location of your followers. Look for the patterns in the content that resonates with your US audience. What posts get the most engagement? Next up, let's talk about your profile. Make sure it speaks to your target audience. Use keywords related to your niche in your bio. Mention your location or US specific elements to make it clear who you're targeting. Include a link to your website or a relevant landing page that caters to US visitors. Now let's get into nitty-gritty of reaching your audience. Location tags and hashtags. Always tag your location in your posts and stories. This helps users in that area discover your content. Also, you can use relevant hashtags. Mix popular ones with niche-specific hashtags. Try hashtags that are trending in US or specific to the area you're targeting. Now, as you know, engagement is key. To build a US audience, follow and interact with accounts based in the US. Comment on the post and participate in conversations. You can also collaborate with US influencer or brands. This can expose you to their followers, helping you grow your audience. Finally, let's talk content. Tailor your content to appeal to a US audience. Share posts about US trends, events, or culture. Create content that reflects the interests and values of your target demographic. This could be memes, news, or local stories. And there you have it, quick and easy tips to target a US audience on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.